Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to copy LinkedIn URL. LinkedIn URL is a web address that links directly to users' LinkedIn profile. To copy LinkedIn URL, first open your LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner, then tap on View Profile option. With this, here you can see your profile. Now tap on three dots near Add Section option. Then here you can see various of options. Tap on Contact Info. Then here you can see your contact information. Now under your profile you can see your URL. Tap on your URL. Then tap on Copy option. With this you can now copy your LinkedIn URL. And you can share the URL in any of the websites or social medias. This is how we can copy LinkedIn URL. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.